Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta only with tomato. First, choose about 500 grams of ripe, red tomatoes for a rich sauce. You'll also need 1/4 cup of good quality olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic, and a handful of fresh basil leaves. Make sure your pantry has salt and black pepper ready. This simple approach highlights the natural sweetness of the tomatoes, creating a truly delicious and satisfying meal with minimal ingredients. To begin your sauce, dice about 500 grams of fresh, ripe tomatoes. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan over medium heat, then add 2 minced garlic cloves, cooking until fragrant, about 1 minute. Stir in the diced tomatoes, a pinch of salt, and a dash of black pepper. Let this mixture simmer gently for about 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the sauce to thicken beautifully. Now let's cook the pasta. Bring about 3 liters of generously salted water to a rolling boil in a large pot. Add 250 grams of your chosen pasta shape, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Cook the pasta until it is al dente, which usually takes 8 to 10 minutes, following the package instructions. Before draining, remember to reserve 1/4 cup of the starchy pasta water. It's crucial for the sauce. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Add the drained pasta directly into your warm tomato sauce. Stir well to ensure every strand is coated in that delicious tomato goodness. Incorporate the reserved pasta water to achieve a silky smooth consistency, then tear in fresh basil leaves. Serve immediately with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese if desired. For more great deals, and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, look for the link in the description below. Enjoy your simple, yet incredibly flavorful, tomato pasta.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.